People say cracking your knuckles causes arthritis. But does it? Let's settle this with some actual science, not just what your aunt says at family dinners. Inside your joints, there's a gooey liquid called synovial fluid. Stretch your finger, press your drops, and boom, a bubble forms. That pop sound, it's not your bones, it's the bubble appearing. The fancy name for it is cavitation. Sounds intense, right? But really, it's just your joints being dramatic. Now here's the twist. Cracking your knuckles does not cause arthritis. Multiple studies back that up. But if you're cracking your fingers all day like a human bubble wrap machine, you might weaken your grip over time. So yeah, your fingers aren't broken. They're just releasing gas. Professionally. Respect.